Hi everyone, my name is Vivian and I'm at the Green Spoon Studio Kitchen, and today we'll be making a very simple, easy, healthy veggie pizza. So the ingredients we have are pizza base, sea salt, pizza sauce for the pizza base, mixed bell peppers, red onion and sweet corn, and mozzarella cheese for the top. So we'll preheat the oven to 250 degrees for 5 minutes. Drizzle some flour on the oven tray so that our pizza crust doesn't stick. Place our pizza base on the pan that we've dusted with flour, and then we'll start adding our toppings to the pizza sauce. Spread it all around the base. If you don't have pizza sauce, you can always use tomato paste or blended tomatoes. Grate some cheese. For the toppings, we will start with the red onions. Make sure they're separated evenly all over the pizza. Next, we will add our corn. Just sprinkle them everywhere. So next, sun-dried tomatoes. These have been stored in olive oil, but if you have regular tomatoes or regular sun-dried tomatoes, you can use them as well. On top, we'll add our bell peppers, capsicums, hoho, what you call them. All right, so I'm just going to add some more sweet corn at the top. This is not mandatory. Put some salt at the top. We'll also add the basil on top, then the oregano. Finally, I will do the top layer of cheese. If you don't want to grate on top, you're free to just grate on the side and then sprinkle it at the top. We'll slide it into the preheated oven. Because this is veg, it doesn't need to take too long, so we'll set it at 225 degrees and we'll set it for 10 minutes. Our pizza is ready. Let's get it out. We are done, and that's how you make very simple, quick, easy veggie pizza. With me, I have Leah, who will be tasting the pizza. Hopefully she likes it. Let's wait for the feedback.
Try this.
And remember, you can get all the ingredients we used to make this pizza and more on the Green Spoon website and or app. Thank you for watching.
Cheers.